show. Take one. Starring Deborah Kosky, with our guest star today, the laziest person in the world. So, you there? So, you're supposedly the laziest person in the world. What do you do all day? And supposedly I see you have your phone right by you.
Yeah, it's my best friend. It's currently dead. Suck.
So you have a dead best friend.
Yeah.
And do you have a name?
Well, you see, I take after my parents, and they were the second and third laziest people in the world, so they didn't have the time to name me.